Hello, dear student. Myself Devidas Naik, SBNM College of D Pharmacy, Mahad. Last video learn about the classification of powder. In this learning dialogue, discuss about the next classification of powder. Simple and compound powder for internal use. In this form of powder, each individually dose is enclosed in paper. The number of ingredients, that is 1, is called as simple powder, and while more than that is known as compound powder. The minimum quantity of each powder should not be less than 100 mg because it can be handled conveniently by patient and can be weighed accurately. Simple powder. In a simple powder contain only one ingredient either in crystalline or amorphous form. Crystalline form, then it is reduced to the fine powder and weighing the powder and divided into number of doses and wrapped as individually dose. Example: dispensed 6 powder of aspirin. Each powder contains 300 mg of aspirin. Procedure: powder the aspirin, weighing accurately quantity and weighing 300 mg of aspirin for each powder and wrapped each powder in individual powder paper. Direction: one powder to be taken after every night in hours. Compound powder contain 2 or more than 2 substances which are mixed together, then divided into desired number of individual doses, then dispensed into each powder paper. Example: dispensed 8 powder of A dot P dot C dot. Each powder contains 500 mg of APC. APC means aspirin, paracetamol and caffeine. Example: aspirin 300 mg, paracetamol 150 mg, caffeine 50 mg. Procedure: weighing accurately of each powder and mix them as per ascending order of with their molecular weight, which 500 mg of mixed powder for each powder and wrapped each dose individually in paper. Next classification: powder enclosed in catches and capsule. Catches are solid doses of drugs. These are molded from rice paper. Rice paper prepared from mixture of rice flour with the water enclosed into between two hot and polished cylinder. Then water was evaporated and vapor is formed. In the catches, 0.2 to 1.5 gram of nauseous or disagreeable drug in powder form are enclosed. Catches are quite hard. Catches are before swallowing dipped in water for few seconds, then placed on the tongue and salt. After swallowing, the catches get disintegrated and drug is released. Advantages of catches: made easily, disintegrated quickly in stomach, drug can be easily dispensed, large doses of drug can be swallowed by using the catches. Disadvantages of catches: they are easily damaged, cannot be protect the enclosed drug from light and moisture, Shell of catches are breakable, so drug content cannot be compressed. They are not suitable for filling the drug in large scale. They are acquire more space compared with the tablet and capsule and other solid dosage form. Types of catches. There are two types of catches, wet shell catches and dry shell catches. Wet shell catches made of two similarly convex hulls having flat edges. The first half placed powder drug and second half are moistened with water. Then second half placed exactly over the first half containing the drug. The flat edges of both the hulls are pressed together in order and to seal it perfectly. Dry shell catches consist of two hulls, the upper half and lower half. The diameter of upper half is slightly larger than lower half. The powder drug is filled in lower half and upper half is fitted over it. Fill the catches are then sealed in machine by pressure the two hulls and remove packed in box. Example, sodium ammonium salicylate. Compressed powder tablet or tablet saturated or molded tablet. In that powder are molded in tablet. They are flat circular discs, usually contain potent drugs. In that potent drugs are mixed with lactose, dextrose or some other dilutants. The apparatus used in made of stainless steel or plastic. It consists of upper and lower preflotated plate. Preflotated plate means having a number of series of holes, the same number of holes. The lower plate also have two larger pages which are ensure correct fitting of the plate. They are available in several sizes having capacity range from 30 to 250 milligram. The generally 50 to 250 tablet saturated can be prepared at the time from the tablet saturated mold. The powder with dilutants are mixed together and made of stiff paste with the help of alcohol 60%. Then paste is introduced on upper plate with the help of spatula and fill all the holes and remove excess. This paste is placed over the lower plate. Then little pressure is applied over the top plate which will force the plate remove downward and leaving the mold tablet on the projected pages. Then prepared tablet dried in hot air oven or by keeping in warm place. Thank you. Happy learning.